As I'm recording this video, Black Friday is officially underway. So this is a full compilation of all the best Black Friday deals you can get for your WordPress website. Let's get started with hosting deals. I'm going to showcase a few of the best hosting deals and mention other hosting deals. And all the deals I'm going to mention will be linked in the description of this video. So you can always go and find the special link down below. So the first hosting provider that's on sale is our SiteGround. If you don't care about price that much, you can spend a couple of dollars extra, but you want the best performance for your website, then SiteGround is the best choice. The pricing starts at just $399 a month. And of course, you can renew and get a longer duration period subscription so you can lock in that pricing. They offer web hosting, of course. They also offer managed WordPress hosting, which is, I think, what you should go for if you're hosting a WordPress website. The second hosting provider, which is a more, I'd say, discounted hosting provider, but the performance is still great, is Hostinger. I can say this from experience because I have a couple of websites hosted on one VPS and one shared hosting of Hostinger, and they perform excellent. So Black Friday sale, they are offering up to 85% off their hosting and their website builder, which I don't think you need to use because I'll tell you some of the other better website hosting creators or website builders later in this video. But you can build your website fast. You of course got a free domain name, and the price starts at just $195 a month, and you get 3 months free if you get. And they have a few different kinds of plans. If I scroll down, you'll find some plans here, but you can get started with the basic plan as well, and you can obviously renew later. The third hosting provider I'd recommend you use is Bluehost. Bluehost is a combination of, I'd say, somewhere in the middle between Hostinger and SiteGround. They have medium or I'd say decent performance for a moderately decent price. So if you just want to build a basic website for your local business, you don't expect tons of traffic to it, then Bluehost is a great choice. And you have AI-powered optimization of hosting, and you also get WooCommerce ready hosting if you pay more. But the Black Friday deal is that you can get basic hosting or VPS or even WooCommerce hosting. I'd recommend Bluehost only for the beginner websites. For WooCommerce, I'd say SiteGround is better. And for, I'd say, medium traffic websites, I would recommend Hostinger personally. You can scroll down and see the pricing and other features. If you scroll up, you can see all the amazing details here. Let's go to the pricing page as well. What's the pricing like? $399 a month for 36 months. So you can lock in the subscription for a longer period and get a decent price or a lower price. You also get a domain name for absolutely free. And you can get the business hosting or e-commerce hosting for a decent price. Then you have high performance and other hosting as well. But I'd say if you are looking for high performance hosting, then SiteGround is a better choice in my opinion. The next choice is cloud hosting. Cloud hosting by Cloudways is one of the best, I say, hosting providers on the market in my opinion. And Cloudways, I personally have a website hosted on Cloudways. I think I have a medium something plan. And the best part about Cloudways that I personally like is that if you want to scale up your website, since it's cloud hosting, you can just slide something and increase the resources the website has and instantly get more traffic, or I'd say be able to serve more traffic. So it makes it convenient for you to manage hosting, and they have their own panel which makes it easy for changing settings, and they're very good with alerting as well if your website goes down, and the uptime is pretty good most of the time. I have not had any major issues in the 2-3 years that I've been hosting my website here. And of course they have 50% off for Black Friday and for 3 months. And let's look at the pricing details here if you can find it. But the performance and features are as good as, I'd say, any other hosting provider. And the panel is pretty easy to use as well. So let's claim the offer and see what the actual pricing is. So I don't think they have the prices listed because it depends on a lot of factors. I have a region in Singapore. You can use different kind of, I'd say, backend providers like Google Cloud. So the pricing may vary. So you can clear an account and look at this or just sign up and then check out the pricing. And of course, use the special links that I've added in the description of this video to get the best prices for Black Friday. So that's Cloudways as well. And if you're looking for just a basic website, then I think one of the best hosting providers is WordPress.com. So it's a hosted solution offered by WordPress themselves. So you can just host your website on the cloud and not have to worry about hosting and everything else. They take care of everything. And this is a special pricing you can see from India, but depending on where you're from, you might see another special price. So WordPress.com is offering this deal up to 31st of December. So you have plenty of time to capture this, but get the best pricing today. And what this will give you is you'll have the ability to install plugins on the site. If you get it for a higher plan, you'll be able to connect your custom domain. And WordPress.com obviously hosts big websites, so uptime is no issue at all. So if you want to taste the power of WordPress without having to go into the technical details of how hosting works and manage your plans and everything else, then WordPress.com might be just a great solution because they have great designs options and everything else will be unlocked for you right inside WordPress. And apart from this, there are amazing hosting deals on Rapid Cloud. So I'll link that here on the screen and also in the description. Deals from HostGator, DreamHost, Hosting.com, Network Solutions, and even Scala Hosting. All these are great hosting providers. These are the top 5 I've recommended, and you can build your website on any of these hosting providers as you like. Let's get to the next category of great Black Friday deals. The next category of best Black Friday deals is for themes and page builders. We have a lot of deals here, so let me get into the best 5 ones, and I mentioned others as well. So the best page builder on the market, if you want to use get an interface where you can drag and drop things on the screen and build landing pages, build your entire website, design your entire theme, then SeedProd is the best bet. It's a page builder. You can get the free version as well, but it's like you can build the landing pages. If you want to customize the entire theme, you need to get the pro version of SeedProd. And of course, you have a new feature in SeedProd, which is the AI builder. So you can just click this button. You have 3 free generations, I believe, and you can upgrade to a paid plan. So you can just describe your website and SeedProd will just create the website for you. Isn't that amazing? So that's here. And for the pricing, you have great discounts already on the basic, plus pro and elite plans. And if you go for pro and elite plan, you get RafflePress Pro for absolutely free. What is RafflePress? RafflePress is a specific plugin designed only for WordPress for running giveaways and contests. So you can host a giveaway and then ask people to do certain things to increase the chances of winning. So they can subscribe to your channel, they can log into your or subscribe to your YouTube channel. By the way, make sure to subscribe here as well. They can follow you on various different social media platforms, log into your email list, refer a friend. All of these get them points so that their chances of winning are higher. So you can use that and increase the number of leads you get using RafflePress. So RafflePress is usually $199, but it's included as part of the deal if you get the pro or the elite plan. So basically they're giving away the entire SeedProd offering if you just pay for one product. So you pay for one product, but you get another product for absolutely free. Insane pricing, and you get AI SeedProd builder as well. The next amazing deal on theme builders is Thrive's Theme Builder. Now Thrive has a suite of products, so I'm talking about the theme builder as well. So you can use Thrive's Theme Builder to design your entire website or your entire theme. What are the different products? I'll cover them in different categories, but I'll mention them here. So if you go to the product section on Thrive's website, I'll link that down below. You have an entire course website builder, so you can build an entire website with, or you can build an entire theme first, which I'm talking about. You also have Thrive Architect, which is page builder, so you can just design landing pages with it. And then you have Thrive Apprentice as well, which is a course builder. So if you want to launch an online course, Thrive Apprentice covers you. And then you have lead generation products. You have leads for say capturing leads, a quiz builder, and then a comments manager, which is gamified comments. And you also have A/B testing and other features, testimonials, and Thrive Ultimatum for running offers on scarcity. That's awesome. And if you want all these products that are very, very good Black Friday deal, you can get the entire Thrive suite directly for a discounted price. If I go here, I can show you the actual pricing as well. What's the bundle price? And you can see here that the Thrive suite, which is usually a $599 purchase, is discounted very heavily to just $240 here. You can save $359 and you get all these products. So course builder, theme builder, page builder, testimonial capturing, gamified comments, a scarcity plugin to generate more sales and leads, all of this for a ridiculous price. Go get it. The next product on the list is a theme. Let's say a collection of themes from A-Themes. So A-Themes makes great WordPress themes. My favorite is the Sydney theme. So if I go here, you can see Sydney and Bottega. They have 2 themes and they have a few plugins as well. So let's check out the Sydney theme, or I'll just show you the pricing, because Sydney theme I've featured in many other videos. It's a great theme, very customizable, supports major page builders, even supports the blog builder. They have their own add-ons which you can use. And if you come here on Sydney Pro, you can see the price for one person website is $47. Amazing. And you can get the $10 bundle, or if you're an agency, you can get the 100 website bundle for a great price. They also offering lifetime pricing. So if you want to own it for life and get free updates, the pricing is on the screen. Very easy to get, and I'd say a no-brainer deal. All right. So after you get a theme, you might need some additional blocks if you're using the block builder to spice up your website, create some special blocks. For that, we also have a great deal on Spectra. Spectra is not a page builder, but add-ons for the block builder in WordPress. Gives you a lot of, I'd say, control over how you add elements and different kind of things. It's a no-code not website builder, I'd say no-code builder for using the block editor, and they have great deals coming here as well. So if I go here, they have deals running for Spectra Pro, the Essential Toolkit, and the Business Toolkit, which have different types of bundles. You can go down here, check out the differences, pick whatever you like, and choose the plan and get started building your website with just the block builder. Next up, we have galleries. If you're building websites, you're showcasing images, galleries or a gallery plugin is a must-have. So we have deals on Envira Gallery. You can see the pricing here. It's discounted pretty heavily from the regular price. You can get the Pro or Basic Plus Pro or the Ultra plan, depending on how many websites you need. So it supports, or the basic one supports 1 website, and then plus 3 websites, Pro 5 websites, and Then you have Ultra, which supports up to 25 websites. So this is the best deal if you have a lot of websites, if you manage websites for clients. Otherwise, the basic plan is pretty good, and you can go to the link in the description. Coupon code will be on the screen. You can do it. And of course, you have Imagely as well. Again, you're getting up to 65% off with Imagely. So let's check out the pricing here. You'll understand what's the actual pricing after the discount. So again, you have starter at 69, plus at 79, great pricing, pro at 97, and ultra at 139.65. So it's pretty easy to use, pretty awesome. And they also have recently introduced their own CDN. So if you don't know how to set up a CDN, you can just use the Image CDN for a very, very affordable price. And then your website's images will be served from the CDN, saving resources on your server, and pretty amazing things for yourself. Apart from this, other page builders like Beaver Builder is on sale. The WP Bakery, the OG page builder extension, is also on sale. Then you also have Zip WP on sale, and you also have Astra theme, which is one of the most popular themes on the market, is also on sale. And WP Zoom, the themes from WP Zoom are also on sale. They'll also be linked down in the description. You can go check them out. The next category is SEO and analytics. There are a lot of great deals here. So let's start with all-in-one SEO, the best SEO plugin on the market today. You can get 6 months free if you subscribe today. So 6 months of additional. If you subscribe for an annual plan, that's more than half the duration extended for free. And you have the basic plan that starts at just 250 rupees a month. This is regional pricing. When you visit the page, you will see the pricing in your regional or your region. So don't go by the pricing that you see here, because I'm in India, so the pricing is specific to me. And you also have other plans: Plus plan, Pro plan, and Elite plan. You can see the differences here. You have AI credits now introduced in even the basic plan, because All-in-One SEO has a new AI feature where you can rewrite paragraphs, write headlines, meta descriptions, all with AI. So you don't have to do that stuff. All is included. You have audits here. You have broken link checker, which is also a new standalone product. If you have a lot of broken links, then you can use the broken link checker as a separate service, not to cause load on your site. And of course, it has great features. You can see the features right here on the screen, and the pricing is amazing. It gets 6 months free. You can grab it right now. The next great product is Monster Insights. It's already on sale. Monster Insights, if you don't know, you already probably know Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is pretty awesome. It's a great product, but the hard part is setting it up on your website. It's very challenging and getting accurate data. And if you're a non-techie like me, I mean, I'm not a great technology guy, but if I have to set up Google Analytics website or Google Analytics manual on a site, I'll probably be sweating. So that's something like a great product for me as well, that hey, I can just one-click install Google Analytics and all my reports are taken care of. So that's the easy part of what Monster Insights makes it easy. And apart from this, you get great reporting right here in WordPress, and it has now a new feature in specific plans, which is AI-powered insights. You can just chat with your analytics and say, hey, which are the most popular pages? Answer is here. Hey, what's the journey that users take before they make a purchase? Answer is here. So everything that Google Analytics does but makes complicated to understand, Monster Insights makes it simple. So you can see here the pricing is discounted already. You can see Black Friday deal already applied. $99, $99.50 for the Plus plan, Pro and Elite. You can get one site, unlimited users, everything else, and there are basically no limits because it connects directly to your Google Analytics. And if you want WooCommerce reports and specific reports, then you might need to upgrade to the Pro plan. The Plus plan does not, I think, include the WooCommerce reporting. So, but that's part of that's part of Monster Insights. So if you want specific e-commerce reporting, you can get that with Monster Insights. I want to also introduce one product which is not technical on sale, at least I don't see on the site, but it's a great product. So if you find Google Analytics intimidating, you don't understand the reports, then OnePage GA is a product that you sign up with Google or sign up, just log in once, and it makes your job easy. It just gives you one page of reports, which gives you most important data you need to understand about your website. So OnePage GA is exactly that product. You can see Google Analytics, very complicated, makes job much harder than it has to, but it's a very powerful product. But OnePage GA just, makes the job easier to understand the reporting on your site. So if you have this, that hey, you want to use Google Analytics, but you don't know how to find things and there's too much data, then OnePage GA might be the great solution to you. Apart from that, we also have Exact Metrics, which is a similar product to Monster Insights, also does similar features. It's also on sale. So if I go to pricing here, let's see the Black Friday offers here. Oh, I was already in the pricing page. So we have an agency plan, Pro plan, Plus plan, and you have a extended plan. We can see here for 100 plus sites, and also you can use it one website and has similar features. So different plans offer different features. So I think this is the Pro plan. You have AI conversations here as well, and e-commerce reporting here as well, form conversion reports, full history, similar features to Monster Insights. You can go check it out. And of course, for another, more SEO goodness or traffic goodness, we have Low Fruits as well. So Low Fruits is a keyword research plugin, so a keyword research product, I'd say, which gives you ability to research keywords. If keywords or I say keyword research tools are too expensive to you, then you can use Low Fruits to identify what are the like long tail keywords, low competition keywords, and if you have a lot of keywords, it can cluster keywords for you. A lot of great features in this, and it also has a rank tracker built in, which you can find that hey, what pages are your website ranking for. So Low Fruits is a great product, and of course we have SEO Boost as well, which is a product from All-in-One SEO. So SEO Boost. So what SEO Boost does is it helps you write SEO optimized content so you can rank higher in search results. Usually SEO, there's a lot of conflicting advice. There's always advice keeps changing. So what do you actually follow? So you can follow advice from SEO Boost, and it's a standalone product. So you can log into SEO Boost and connect your website and say, hey, I want to write an article on this, and it'll do the hard work. It'll go to the competing sites. It'll see what's already ranking and identify patterns and give you all that data. And you can create briefs in here as well. So for example, if you're working with writers, you can create a detailed brief and writers can follow that brief. It can do analysis of existing content that you've written. So you can just copy and paste the content and you say, hey, this is how you optimize it. So great product for basically very, very, I say affordable price. You can see the essential plan, 20 to 50, team plan and agency plan. This is the year plan. If you go for monthly plan, that's also here. If you go for the yearly plan, you get 2 months free. So that's an additional discount on top of the Black Friday deals already. And you can see all the details here. You can have workspaces, you can have different seats. So if you have, let's say 20 folks writing for your website, you can just go for the team plan, and then you can get the reports, you have storage, content planning and support. So great product here. Next product I have is Search WP. If you run an e-commerce website, or if you have a website where search is the primary way people actually find content inside, then you cannot ignore Search WP. WordPress search is great, but it's not amazing. For example, if you type something on Amazon, you always find the right product here. So you type something on Google, even if it's not described well, you always find the result. How satisfying is that? But WordPress, unfortunately, does not have that great level of search, but Search WP changes that. So what it lets you do is configure stuff on your website that, hey, if people type in fuzzy search, you can increase or decrease the weightage of certain terms. For example, you don't want to show authors, or authors are not important, then say, hey, I don't want authors showing up in search, and you want to increase the weightage of the title, description. You can create custom engines to move things down. Great product overall. I've used it on my site. So there's a standard plan which is on sale, the pro plan and the all access bundle. You can use it on 100 sites, but you can get started with the basic site here. And you can also see that it can search embeddable documents. So if you embed PDFs, documents, it can search the media library, everything else. That means it can search this for end users. So if you have metadata in, let's say, PDF files, it can search that as well. Very powerful product. And of course, I already showed you one-page GA. So this is all for SEO and analytics. Let's go to the next category. The next category of deals is marketing, sales, and emails. Let's start with the best product on the market for capturing emails and getting more conversions, which is Opt-in Monster. Fantastic product. Let me show you some of the features first that you can understand how great of this product is. I've used it on many of my sites and recommended it a ton. And it has lightbox pop-ups, floating bars, gamified wheels, countdown timers. Targeting is amazing. So you can target categories, pages, exclusions, inclusions, exit intent as well, geolocation targeting, and hundreds of templates, proven campaigns that can execute on site instantly without the need of a developer. Startup is also easy. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Probably in 20 minutes, you can have first campaign live. And the discount is pretty insane. You have discount on the plus plan, the pro plan, and the growth plan, and you will get 7 months free, up to 7 months free if you sign up for annual plan, which is what I'm assuming. Great product. If you have traffic coming inside, but you're not happy with the amount of revenue making, then Opt-in Monster is probably the best answer to those problems. Install it on your site, start seeing instant results. Another product you can start using, I don't think the Black Friday deal is live, but I'll still showcase it anyway, is Push Engage. Push Engage is a website, or is a tool, allows you to send push notifications from your website. We all know how addicted we are to our smartphones because notifications pop up, right? You're probably watching this video and Instagram notifications pops up. You click right on it and head to Instagram. That's the power of push notifications that you can utilize on your website with the help of Push Engage. So you can see the pricing here. You can start with just the free plan, but the plans are very affordable. I think Black Friday deal, not live yet. By the time probably you go to this page, you might see the Black Friday, or I'll link the actual Black Friday deal page in the description. So you can really one click and reach there. The next plan or next product is TrustPulse. I don't see the Black Friday, at least the banner is not here. I'm not sure if the pricing is already discounted, but I'll link the actual Black Friday deal. I'll find it for you and link it in the description of this video. So TrustPulse is a social proof plugin. So if let's say you're on a page and you see on Amazon that hey, 5,000 people have rated this as a 5-star product, instantly you're more persuaded or convinced that I should buy this product. That's the power of social proof. So Trustpulse does the same thing. It showcases any kind of social proof you have. That means how many people have visited the page, how many people are checking our product right now, how many people bought this product, or what people are actually currently buying this product or signing up to your email list. All that social proof, which is gathered throughout various areas of your site, can be showcased directly on your website in the key important areas of your website. For example, sign up page, the product page, or the checkout page, with the help of Trustpulse. Great product, great pricing. You see, it starts at just $5 a month, and you can have up to the growth plan depending on what you're trying to do. So check out the pricing, check out the details. I think the feature set is amazing. I've personally used it. Great product. Next, our product is user feedback. If you are trying to sell things on your site and you're not getting as many leads or sales or conversions, and you're wondering why, what is going through the user's mind, because of which they're not able to, let's say, check out or persuade, or they're not convinced enough to take an action on your site, user feedback is the best plugin you can install to get feedback from users directly. So it's exactly a specific product designed just for that purpose. And if you go to the plan or the page that I'll link down in the description, you can see it in action. See, I'm on the pricing page and I'm considering, is this a good enough product for me? Should I buy it? And instantly pop up says, is there anything unclear about the plans? And you can send your feedback here, or have a conversation here, and then you get your queries answered. So the plans for Black Friday deals, you can see up to 65% off. So you can see the Plus plan, the Pro plan, and the Elite plan, and all these features here. I'll link down below. You can go and make an informed decision, or use the feedback form on user feedback to ask questions about the plan itself. Next, we have a great product for lead magnet creation. I don't know if the Black Friday deal is currently live, but it's a great product. If I find the Black Friday actual discount price, I'll link that down below in the description instead of the pricing page. And this is a product specially designed to help you create lead magnets. Lead magnets are great for capturing leads, of course, but most people have trouble finding how should I create it, how should I host it. So Beacon is the solution to your problems. It gives you great tools to create great lead magnets. So you can even host those directly through Beacon, and it has a lot of case studies on how lead magnets have been used by their customers to generate more leads and sales. So you can see the pricing plans here, some details here. What you can do, you can create lead magnets, they have lead capture forms, and then their resource library. So you can have a lot of resources. Let's say if you use a lot of tools and if you use affiliate marketing to generate some revenue, you can create an entire resource page directly on using Beacon, and it's embedded in your site. So there's some differences in the plans, but it's a great product. I use it myself to create a few lead magnets. You should check it out too. The next product on the list is MailerLite. So if you want to send out emails, MailerLite is great. It has marketing emails and transactional emails, different pricing. So pick the one that you like. The plans start at $15 a month. No, not started. There's a free plan. There's a $7 plan, which is discounted, and also a $15 plan. You can build monthly or yearly, and number of subscribers will change the pricing. Of course, all email providers work like this, but this is this is the expected behavior. It's nothing new. So MailerLite is also on sale. And of course, if you see the Black Friday deal, so this is the Black Friday page, but the pricing is already discounted. So this page, which I showed you, already has the discounted price. You can get 25% of annual plans, which is what I saw here. So just making sure or confirming for you guys that there's not a separate Black Friday page, same page, and this is it. The next product is SendLayer. So if you want to send any kind of emails and you're worried about, hey, will the actual email land into the inbox, deliverability issues, then SendLayer is one of the best products you can have. It's a great product with very high deliverability and also great pricing. You can start at just $5 a month. You have $15 plans, $25 plans, and you can have custom options if you have more requests, or very high limits. But $5 a month for 1,000 emails a month, pretty amazing in my opinion. And you also have another product on the list, EasyWP SMTP. So if you have, let's say, a WordPress website, then most of the time, if you just start sending some emails, for example, newsletter or something, they might not even send out or not reach your customers' inboxes, because most servers will not allow you to send emails, or the deliverability will be pretty poor. So what you need to do is connect it to a SMTP service, which can be Gmail, Amazon, or any other SMTP service. And EasyWP SMTP allows you to do that. Hey, I can configure my SMTP setting to a custom domain or a custom service that I want to use. That means you can send out emails, and the emails will actually land in your user's inbox. So if you want to use WordPress for your email needs, then EasyWP SMTP is the best product for you. So you have the basic plan, Plus plan, Pro plan, and Elite plan. You can see the details here, what it does, and what you can send emails with. So even on the basic plan, you can send emails with SendLayer, which I just showed you, Brevo, Mailgun, SMTP, Outlook 365, Amazon SES, Postmark, and so many different SMTP providers. So it gives you the best option or best chances of landing in your user's inbox with high deliverability using easy WP SMTP. Next product on the list does the similar thing, which is WP Mail SMTP, and I personally use this product on my website, not because I have tested out everything, but just I used it, it worked, so I have never changed it. So it has Black Friday deals coming on here as well. So you have the Pro plan discounted, Elite plan discounted, Developer plan discounted, and Agency plan also discounted. So you can see here that pricing is already discounted and the timer is all running while I'm recording this. So if you see this video and you are interested in this product, make sure to take action immediately, otherwise you might lose on great discounts. So Easy Mail WP or WP Mail SMTP does very similar things. It allows you to configure an SMTP service and just send out emails to that. So what I've done on my website is use this product and connect it with Amazon SES, because I don't send out emails regularly. It's just not a recurring thing. So because I've connected to Amazon SES, whenever I send out emails, and I have not spammed at all, so my deliverability is pretty good and my domain rating is pretty good as well. So I can send out thousands of emails and only pay per send. So I don't have to pay a lot of money or for subscription just for sending out emails. And sometimes I'm not even sending out emails. So this is a great product, at least for me. And a couple of other additional deals as clearout.io has a sale, and also White Cream, which is an AI writer which you can use to write copy, is also on sale. I'll include this in the marketing section already. Let's head to the next section. The next category is forms and tables. I have a limited set of deals, but all great deals. So let's get started with the first one, which is WP Forms, the best form builder on the planet for WordPress. Great product. I've used it on my site. A lot of features. If I go to the features, this will be a 3-hour long video. So features include conditional, conditional forms. You can capture signatures. You have the Zapier integration, Init integration, hundreds of integrations. If you want to create a form which has any kind of functionality, probably WP Forms can do it. And you can even describe your form requirements to AI, and AI can generate the form for you. Pretty amazing. So Black Friday deals already on the market. Basic plan, Plus plan, Pro plan, Elite plan. You can see the pricing here. Unlimited number of forms. No need to worry about how many forms you're creating. And there's so many add-ons for WP Forms, which makes it ridiculously easy to use. So you have a continuity form, you have form landing pages, you have a full question answer section type form templates, you have form templates, integration, everything else. Great product. Don't miss it. The next form plugin is Formidable Forms. Again, a very similar product with, I think WP Forms has the edge. But if you want to just test out a different kind of form plugins, then Formidable Forms is probably the second choice I'd ask you to check out. And you have the basic plan, Plus plan, business plan, and Elite plan. You can see the details here, what kind of features it has, and what kind of add-ons you get for what plans. And this is the plugin that you would look. The next product is a table builder. So you can see the 70% discount for Black Friday, Cyber Monday already live on the site. But this is a table plugin. So if you want to integrate any kind of data visualization, tables integrated on your site or the front on the site, not the back end, then WP Data Tables is a product that is great. So you can see some examples here from affiliate websites, developers and agencies, for marketers displaying data. And here's some examples embedded on the screen as well. So you can see here, this is how statistics table can look like. A Premier League, for example, sports websites can use this. Product tables for affiliate websites, catalogs, pricing tables, finance tables, and everything else. And the pricing is pretty good. You can see here the Black Friday deals already integrated. This is the Indian pricing, so I can see the conversion. I'm not sure if the international pricing will be different or exactly the same, so make sure to check out from the link in the description. You have the starter price for 5372, which is around, I think, $50, $60, $55 approximately, if I'm making the conversion absolutely correctly. And you have unlimited tables, unlimited charts. So most of the time the feature set is not very different, but there's some integrations that you might look out for. For example, the WooCommerce integration is here. Fixed headers is in the standard plan, and developer plans of course integrates everything else. And you have lifetime plans as well. So if you want to just pick once and have it forever, then you can check out here. All right, so that's WP tables, and that's the forms and data category. The next category is e-commerce and payments. So let's get started with one of the best payment plugins on the market, WP Simple Pay. Simple payment plugin that integrates with a lot of different payment providers, Stripe, Authorize.net, any payment provider you can think of, integrates your site, collects single-time payments or recurrent payments, easy without the help of a developer, very simple setup. The pricing is usually quite, the discounted pricing that you can see on screen. You can see the personal plan, the plus plan, professional plan, elite plan, up to 70% off already during Black Friday. You can see the features here, pretty amazing product. Next product is amazing if you're trying to sell digital products. That means ebooks, photographs, templates, presets, or I say video editing presets, anything digital. If you want to sell something, even like you can imagine, then you can use Easy Digital Download. Fantastic product. Set it up in 2 minutes, start selling products for price or for free, collect emails, do the delivery, limit number of downloads, fraud protection, everything else with tons of add-ons and features. You can even sell software using licensing and everything, using keys, all with one product, which is easy to download. The pricing already up to 70% off. You can see the personal plan, extended plan, professional plan, all access pass. You can compare the features from the link in the description. That is easy digital downloads. Very, very important, I say, powerful product. Next up is one of my favorite products that I've used extensively on my website. It is Funnel Kit. I recently featured it in a short as well. Funnel Kit has two different products. One is a complete funnel builder. So if you're hacking to other solutions to create funnels, Funnel Kit is the best product. It'll generate the entire funnel. It has a complete redirect engine, so you can create new pages, do A/B testing, include one-click upsells, offer bumps, or conversion checkouts, or say everything is built in. Great product. And the second product, which you can't see here, is Funnel Kit automations, which I personally use on my site. So if a user clicks this link, send them to this list, add them, any kind of thing you can think about Zapier, you can have on your website with the help of Funnel Kit. Great product. So the pricing, you can see it's already discounted, exclusive Black Friday offer. I'll link it down below. You can see the basic plan, the plus plan, professional plan, and elite plan. So what you should do if you go out and check out Funnel Kit, make sure you're buying the right product. If you want funnels, make sure to purchase Funnel Kit funnels. But if you want automations, you can get automations. But if you want combined, there's a separate, I say, bundle pricing as well. So make sure to double, triple check if you're making the right purchase. The next product on the list is WP Chat. It offers a chat solution that can connect directly to your WordPress website. You can create agents. You can send people to WhatsApp directly. It can answer basic questions directly inside the form that builds up. I've recently, I think, featured in one of our other videos. It's a great product. The pricing is already discounted for Black Friday up to 60% off. On the basic plan, you can see $49, plus plan $89, and elite plan. You can see all the details here. So you can send people to Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, or even Instagram. So if you provide support on any of these platforms and you are getting leads on your website, you can redirect people. You can have smart searching and tons of features here, and a great product. That's WP Chat for you. Next is Store Agent. Similar features, but slightly different, especially designed only for WooCommerce. So you can generate product content. You can answer questions with AI and get insights directly and boost conversion, especially for WordPress stores. That means WooCommerce. And if you go to the pricing page here, you can get started for free with the light plan. You have a growth plan and the pro plan and the business plan. Great pricing, discounted up to 60% off. The next product is advanced coupons. Coupons are a great way to increase sales, get repeat customers, increase average order value, and do magic on your website. So if you use coupons the right way, you can get a lot of conversions without having to spend a lot in marketing. So you can create BOGO offers, buy this, get this for free, get this 10% discount, or returning offers, everything else. That is advanced coupons. Great features. I'd say overwhelmingly very flexible plugin. You can do 100 things with. So the pricing is already limited, or I'd say not limited. Pricing is already discounted up to 60%. So if you go to the pricing plan, let's go to and check out the actual pricing. So you have the growth plan, the business plan, and the all access bundle. So it has a few different products. You can use just the advanced coupons premium, which gives you coupons, but they have a loyalty program, advanced gift cards, or all access. All access is the best deal in my opinion. So you can get just if you're an e-commerce owner, just double, triple check this out. And if you're an e-commerce website owner who works with different vendors and want to list them on the site, then WC Vendors is the best product. You can list multi-vendor, or you can create a multi-vendor marketplace with this plugin, which will help you. And you can see here the pro plan, the growth plan, and the business plan, very affordable, up to 60% off already. The next product is Dukaan, and I think it's the wordplay on the word Dukaan, which is the Hindi word for shop. So Dukaan is the best way to create an online marketplace. If you want to build a marketplace, then Dukaan is a great solution. I won't go into the features a lot, but you can go to the pricing page, which I'll link in the description, and it has a complete bundle price, which is discounted up to 50% off, but you get tons of additional, I'd say, features here, and it's already sold out 68%. So make sure to check it out. You can create a mobile app, and you have delivery and everything else. So a lot of features built in one solution. The next feature or next product I'll say is AdTribes. So if you have trouble listing out your products on different marketplaces or Google Shopping or different feeds, you have tons of different feeds you have to manage. And AdTribes is one product that you can use to create feeds and just make sure the feeds are updated, which will save you a lot of time and get you more sales. The discounted pricing, you can see on screen, the growth plan, plus plan, and business plan already discounted. Black Friday sales already live. Make sure to check it out if you deal with feeds. Next product also deals with feeds, but different. If you have lots of products on your store and you want to import and export it, send it over and make sure updates, then Wiser Labs product is great product for doing this. So I remember when I created my first website, I had like 1800 products to list, and I say 700 products manually before I lost my mind. Then I found another solution because I think Wiser Labs wasn't there, or at least I didn't find it. So I'm telling you now, this is a great product. If you have a lot of products, then just do it. You can export store products, import them, scheduled action, formats, change everything else. Great product. So that's the e-commerce category. Let's check out the next category. The next category is membership websites. If you're looking to build a community online, then a membership website is one of the best things you can do. There are a few different great products here on sale right now. Let's get started with the best one, which is MemberPress. De facto, the best I say plugin or solution to create membership websites right here on WordPress. And the discounted price sale is 70% off already. And you can even enter a disc or giveaway to win an iPad Pro, the 11-inch model. And you can see the pricing here, the launch price, the growth price, and scale price. I tested out membership or MemberPress on one of my websites. I am still learning the ins and outs of the product, but I think it was a great, I'd say, very flexible product, very feature rich. So whatever specific features you have in your mind, you can actually get or execute those with the help of MemberPress. So great price. Then comes a LMS. LearnDash is already discounted, or I'd say the Black Friday deal is live. You can see the discounted price here. I've used LearnDash previously on one of my websites. It works really well, but I'm looking for an alternate solution personally because of some limitations, not because of the product is bad. But you can check out the pricing here. Then you can use Thrive Apprentice to create a membership website and even a course website as well. So you can use Thrive Apprentice in conjunction with MemberPress to create an online course website with the membership section already. And of course, as I mentioned, you can get the Thrive Suite at a discount. So you can get the quiz builder, the lead manager, that's a lead capturing solution, the quiz builder, and the Thrive Apprentice, page builder, theme builder, and some other products like the Thrive Ovation, all the products in the bundle price. And then you also have BuddyBoss, which is another community management platform. But the difference between MemberPress and BuddyBoss is BuddyBoss takes care of everything. So it creates a mobile app for you. It'll manage the entire thing on its own platform. You have more features, and it's a more hands-off approach instead of MemberPress, which you have to build the solution yourself, or I'd say put everything together and build the website. BuddyBoss is more hands-off and includes mobile websites as well, or I'd say mobile apps as well, depending on the bundle you use. And the discount here is already, you can see the bundle price is already discounted by almost like $2,000, which is a great price in my opinion. And you can do all-in-one bundle. So you can get the Web Plus, the app, and Web Elite and DFI app. So you get a website completely done for you, and also a mobile app built out for your community. And you can get different plans as well. If you want a theme and platform, you want offload media app, so you can get different pricing depending on that. So that's the membership section for you. Let's get to the next section. So the next category on my list is a miscellaneous category. Not because the plugins are miscellaneous, but because I could not place them in a certain category. Some are essential plugins that I've recommended to everybody, but I've just bundled them together into one single category. So let's get started with the miscellaneous category. The first product, which is Affiliate WP. If you want to build an affiliate website, or not affiliate website, if you want to build an affiliate program for your products on your WordPress website, then Affiliate WP is the best solution. It includes directly creating affiliate links. You can approve or disapprove affiliates, manage payouts directly, automatically, even make manual entries for payout if your country is not supported for automatic payouts. And it's a great product. I haven't had the chance to use it on my websites, but if I launch a product, then I would probably use Affiliate WP to create an affiliate program. That's the first, I'd say, product here. Next product is Sugar Calendar. So if you want to embed a calendar on your website, for example, hey, this is when I'm holding a live call, then okay, this is the calendar entries. Very easy to use, great product. They're also introducing a bookings options. So example, instead of using Calendly, which might cost you a lot, you can just use Sugar Calendar to help people book a call. If you're a consultant, you offer some advice, or you're a coach or something, then you can use that. The pricing you already see here, $39, or I say the basic plan here. This is for the Sugar Calendar events. So embedding calendars, you can see the pricing. For bookings, the pricing is different. Let me open that as well. While I go back, and I think I didn't mention the price here. So you can see the personal price for Affiliate WP Plus, Pro, and the growth bundle. It's up to 70% off already. Let's go back to the Sugar Calendar bookings. So for bookings, you can see the price here. You have this yearly price already discounted, Pro plan, and the Elite plan as well. The next product is great for any kind of website owner if you have a social product which is end consumer. So think about shopping or even journal. So using Smash Balloon, you can do a lot of things. You can embed any kind of social media feed on your website. So that means the reviews feed, Instagram feed, TikTok feed, Twitter feed, X feed, you can embed on your site. So people come to your website, they see social proof that, hey, this product or this service, this person is being mentioned by a lot of people, great, I should also like do business with them. So that's what Smashburn does. You can see the pricing here, already discounted. The discount is live. And if I go here, oh, I think I am not on the pricing page. Let me click to the pricing page. This is the pricing page, up to 70% off. You have different plugins. So example, the Facebook feed Pro plus add-ons, Twitter feed, Instagram feed, YouTube, TikTok. You can see here, you can get different, or let's say you can purchase them individually if you have only certain channel you want to use. But if you want the entire thing, you can get the bundle price at Black Friday discount off, which gives you the ability to embed everything on your site, different pages. Great. So the next solution is PDF Embedder. One of the quirky things about WordPress is if you embed some sort of rich data, example PDF, it doesn't do a great job except for showing the website. So PDF Embedder solves that problem for you. It gives you the best way to embed PDFs on a site. So you have the basic plan, plus plan, pro plan, and the elite plan discounted already to great pricing. Link, everything is in description. Next is RafflePress. So RafflePress is a giveaway plugin. So if you want to do giveaways, for example, you saw one of the products was giving away an iPad. So they are using, I think, I'm probably sure that using RafflePress. So RafflePress can help you do these kind of things. You can give away, and you don't have to give away physical products. You can give away an hour at a time. You can give away a digital product, anything else. But it's a growth engine that using giveaways can get you more leads, more customers, more virality, more growth. So think about the content flywheel, how you can use this to get more customers. So the pricing is already discounted. You can see the Plus, Pro, Growth, and Ultimate discount for Black Friday. Next product I have is Duplicator. Obviously, we all have insurance, medical insurance, health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, every kind of insurance. But where's the insurance for your website? It's called backups. So if you don't have backups, your website is not insured. If it goes down, everything is wiped away. So backups ensure that you never happens to you. Then Duplicator is the best product you should use. So it allows you to have backups manually, create schedules for backups, do all sorts of cloud backups, download backups, encrypt, even one-click disaster recovery, which is a great feature, and even help you with migration. And if you get Duplicator with the Black Friday discount, you get a different discount on the pricing, but you also get another plugin, which is a $100 plugin for absolutely free, which will help you clean unnecessary media on your site. So you can see the pricing here. Make sure to check it out. Next is WP Consent. One of the biggest challenges with WordPress, not with WordPress, one of the biggest challenges with being a website owner is compliance with privacy law. There's so many laws coming in the market, and a lot of times if you go for a plugin which helps you solve the problem, it's quite expensive, it doesn't work. But WP Consent is different. It's appropriately priced, it's very affordable, and it does the job, and it complies with all sorts of laws. And you can see the cookie banner by WP Consent on WP Consent's website already. So the pricing is already discounted. You can see the basic, plus, pro, and elite plans. But what it helps you do is comply with GDPR, CCPA, all sorts of regulations on your website. And you can configure the banner, you can go inside, and you can prevent all sorts of things from happening before consent is approved. And then you can also revoke consent and everything else. So that's WP Consent for you. Next is a Swiss Army knife of plugins, I would call WP Code. What happens is you purchase tons of plugins to add small features on the site. Hey, I want to hide the admin bar, let me install a plugin. You want to do X amount of thing, you install a plugin. You want to add the Facebook pixel, you add a plugin. So you end up having with too many plugins, which are maybe not high quality, and you have to manage all these plugins, plugin updates, and then you spend a lot of money on them as well. But instead of all that, you can just use WP Code. It allows you to add code snippets. It has hundreds of code snippets already created. So one-click solution. So one click, you can embed, let's say for example, enable the SVG users on a site, enable things on a site, and does all of this. The discounted price is already here, the basic, plus, pro, and bundle plan. And they have another plugin which is also here. And what this plugin has to do is replace media. For example, you have an old low resolution image and you want to change it, and you've used it on hundreds of blog posts. Now you have to change it on hundreds of blog posts, which is a pain, right? So what this plugin lets you do is just change it in the media library and it'll be changed everywhere. How cool is that? So this plugin is also on sale. You can see the pricing here. Go check it out. And the last plugin on this list is WP Tasty, especially for recipe bloggers. If you want to create recipe cards on your blog, then WP Tasty is one of the best solutions you can hear. And you can have roundups and create links for keywords and pins. A lot of great features, but mostly for, let's say, cooking blogs or recipe bloggers. If you sell any kind of cooking things, then WP Tasty, one of the best products on the market. You can see you can purchase the individual plugins differently, or you can get the bundle pricing to get everything together at once. So you might be overwhelmed with the number of deals I've been mentioning, but you might be surprised to know that I did not even cover 100% of the deals because there's so many great deals coming on the market. So what I've done is made a list of all these deals in the description. So of course, the deals I've already mentioned will be in the description, but deals I could not mention will also be in the description. So description might be way too long, so I might truncate it or make it short so that it fits in the our description box, otherwise it might be truncated. So make sure to follow or subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the deals in the description. Make sure to follow our shorts as well, because we're posting a lot more shorts. And if you have any questions specific, then you can leave a comment. You're watching Yuvraj from Double Beginner. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.